In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an angle symbol in Microsoft Word with a shortcut key. The angle symbol is commonly used in mathematics, physics, engineering, and geometry documents. Instead of searching through the symbol menu every time, you can quickly insert it using a simple shortcut or a combination of word features. In this tutorial, I'll show you multiple methods, so you can choose the one that works best for you. To begin, one of the fastest ways to insert an angle symbol is by using the Unicode shortcut. Place your cursor where you want the angle symbol to appear. Then, type the Unicode for the angle symbol, which is 2220. Once you type this number, immediately press Alt+X. Word will automatically convert the 2220 into the angle symbol, which looks like a small angle mark. This method is very efficient if you frequently insert the symbol in your documents. Another method is by using the Symbol feature. Go to the Insert tab at the top of Word, then click on Symbol and select More Symbols. In the dialog box that appears, choose the subset called Mathematical Operators. Scroll through the list until you find the angle symbol, click on it, and then click Insert. You can also assign a custom shortcut key to the symbol for even faster access in the future. To do this, click on Shortcut Key at the bottom of the symbol dialog box, press the combination you want to use, like Alt-Shift-A, and then click Assign. If you prefer using the Equation tool, go to the Insert tab and click on Equation. In the Equation editor, type \angle and then press space. Word will automatically convert it into the angle symbol. This is particularly useful when you're typing full mathematical equations or geometric expressions. By using these methods, you can insert an angle symbol quickly and efficiently without disrupting your workflow. Whether you use the Unicode shortcut, the Symbol menu, or the Equation tool, Word makes it simple to include professional mathematical notation in your documents. And that's it. You now know multiple ways to insert an angle symbol in Microsoft Word, saving time and making your math and engineering documents look polished. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.